How to change font on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. Scroll down to the Accessories section and go to Keyboards and Typing. Over here, tap on Hover Typing at the top. On this page, turn on the Hover Typing feature as shown. Then, go to the Text section and tap on Font. You can view all the available fonts over here. Select any font from here. Then, go back and open up the Messages app. Tap on the new message icon at the top right corner. Go to the message box and type in any message. As you can see, you can now share the text in the font you selected. Following these steps, you can easily change font on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.